Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying network and client integrity. First, test connectivity, ping 8, 8, 8, 8, and use wired Ethernet if wireless is flaky. This reduces packet loss. Once done, restart your PC and router to clear transient issues, then run Roblox as administrator so permissions aren't blocking assets. Make sure the Roblox app and GPU drivers are updated, and clear the Roblox cache and temp files to force fresh downloads of corrupted assets. Now dig into system-level fixes. Uninstall Roblox completely and delete leftover data folders before reinstalling to avoid carrying corruption forward. Next, reset network stacks with netch winsock reset and ipconfig/flushtons so stale DNS or socket entries aren't blocking connections. If problems persist, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall rules that might block UDP/TCP for Roblox, and test with an alternate account or device to determine whether the issue is account-specific or system-wide. Wrap up by gathering evidence and minimizing invasive fixes. Export Roblox client logs from %localappdata %big/Roblox and note exact error codes so support can act fast. Try compatibility mode or a clean Windows user profile to rule out profile corruption before doing anything like system restores. If nothing works, contact Roblox support with logs and steps you tried. Troubleshooting tip: if cross-platform works mobile or console, the issue is low.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.